Tashtile, my name is Yangchen. After completing the class 12, I joined College for Higher Tibetan Studies, Sara, and obtained my BA degree. Currently, I am pursuing a secretarial practice course at Tibetan private ITI. It is truly a great privilege to be part of this institute, which is well equipped with the excellent facilities and supporting learning environment. I would like to thank Youth Empowering Support under the Department of Home, CTA, for providing me the scholarship. The institute provides us with both theoretical knowledge and practical training, helping us to develop the essential skills required in the professional world. We are given the opportunities to learn office management, shorthand, communications and employability skill, computer application and Tibetan language. Apart from classroom learning, we also gain hand-on experience in office operation, which prepare us for a real workplace situation. The guidance and support from our instructors and management motivate us to improve our abilities and build confidence. Overall, this course is helping me shape my career and prepare for the future opportunities. And I am grateful to be part of this institute. Without a doubt, this institute is the ideal place for those who are passionate about building a career in the secretarial practice. Thank you.